sick new Raceline headers. It's crazy to me how much just changing the sound of your car makes it that much more fun to drive, even if it doesn't make it faster, which I think that it did. But if it didn't, just changing the noise makes the car so much more fun to drive. Listen to this. Those pops are so awesome. So with that said, the car being so much more fun to drive, I want you guys to experience what it's like with all the intake noise that I've already loved on this car, and now the new exhaust. I got my radar detector here because I always need that. Down here we have our oil pressure, oil temperature, and I have my ultra gauge plugged in too so I can see my water temps. With that said, I think it's about time that we get going. Slow down. Give this guy a little space. Oh, can you hear that? Here's one of the tight turns. That echo's awesome. Right now it's like 75 degrees outside according to my OBC. Coolant temps are staying like 208. Oil temps are probably like 210, so not too bad. All right, it's quiet, here we go. Something else I've really kind of taken for granted, but then I'll drive another car and realize how good it is on this one, is the lightweight flywheel. Just how fast this sucker is, well, how easy it is to rev match downshift. Just like that. Oh, I hope you guys can hear how that's burbling. Oh my gosh. All these curves are so tight. Hardly anyone comes up here. Jeez, I can't talk, I gotta concentrate. Alright, let's let this sucker cool down a little bit and we'll just cruise. Let you guys hear the car. Still staying really good though, still 208. Coolant temperature really hasn't changed much at all. I got a Mishimoto aluminum radiator and a Mishimoto E-fan. One thing I'd really like is an oil cooler though. If you guys can't tell, this is a great state to live in if you like to drive on twisty roads because they're all over the place. Unfortunately down there just was too many people enjoying the roads. So we're gonna have to go do some drifting somewhere else. But don't worry, we're gonna do it. Oh my gosh. She's gripping. Camera facing my face too, because when I'm hitting these corners this fast, my eyes are just huge. It's crazy because the exhaust setup on this car, I feel like it's all exhaust sound down low in the RPMs until you get to about like 5,000 RPMs. Then pretty much the intake is loud enough, it takes over. If you guys like my exhaust sound, you want to know what the whole setup is, click this link up here and watch that video. I tell you guys all about the headers I have, the mid pipe, and also my muffler. I'll give you guys a little 1-2. Definitely a lot quieter with the windows up. exhaust here. Favorite turns in this whole canyon is coming up right in front of us. And unfortunately there's a frickin' biker right here. Dang it. I thought about wanting to drift that one, but I'm not gonna do it when there's a cyclist right next to me. I've had these Megan Racing Spec RS coilovers on this car for like 2 years now. By far the favorite coilovers I've ever had. They soak up these bumps awesome. These Utah roads are definitely not smooth. Let's give these guys some more room ahead of us. Slow down a little bit. Listen to that. Listen to this. Oh, it's so throaty. Let's slow down, rip a little bit right here. I'm gonna do some revs. Oh yeah. Snow up here. That gives you any idea about how high we are in the mountains. Jeez. Maybe you can turn around in here for a minute. All right. Dang. I love driving this car. It makes a lot more sense where I live to buy something that's just maybe not a powerhouse, but it's really fun to drive on windy roads. You can hear my E-fan just screaming. Dang, it looks mean. Even with these 245s up front, and I also have my back wheels up front, so the wider 8.5s are in front with these contours, I don't get any rubbing. Sorry if it's a little windy, but man, I thought we ought to get out and just take a look. Maybe I can set this down here and get a little bit of exhaust. Man, definitely not the best at drifting, but that's why I'm out here practicing. I think I got the right car to do it. All right, here we go. Not a ton of angle. We'll give that a couple more tries though. This is a business depot where there's really not ever too many cars, so don't get pissed. Yeah! My handwork's a little sloppy, but that's still fun. I think we got one more in us. What do you think? Clutch in, clutch in. Can't win them all. Well, I think it's about that time. Gas level is, well, the gas light is on. Time to go get some more gas. Man, I'm definitely glad we got to go out and have some fun driving this car around. I've been wanting to do that for a while, especially with the new exhaust setup. Some of you guys requested in the comments in my previous videos to go do a POV, so here it is. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next one.